Welcome to Stage 05, Time and Identity, where we tackle the four-letter commands you'll reach for every single day. Meet Sara, a SysAdmin whose servers live in Frankfurt, New York, and Singapore. Her log just said crash at 14:32:05, but in which time zone? She needs one tiny command to answer, "What time is it right now?" in any format I want. That command is date. So what does date actually do? At its simplest, you type those four letters, hit enter, and it prints the current date and time, done 2 seconds. But the real magic is the plus format argument. You control exactly how it looks. Just the year, ISO format, a weekday name, a Unix timestamp, anything. That's why Sara reaches for it constantly. A quick, "What time does this server think it is?" Building backup file names like backup 2026-0520.tar.gz, or stamping every line in a deploy log. Every shell script you'll ever write will probably use date somewhere. It's that useful. Let's actually try it. Type date, press enter, and you'll see something like May 20th, 14:32:05, CES 2026, day of the week, month, day, time, time zone, and year, all in one tidy line. That's CEST, Central European Summertime, Sara's clock in Frankfurt. Now add the U flag and you get the same moment in UTC, 2 hours behind. And here's the thing to remember, servers almost always run in UTC for consistency, while your laptop shows local time. So whenever you're correlating events across machines, check the time zone first, or you'll chase ghosts. But the default output is just the beginning. Slap a plus sign after date and you can shape the output however you want. Want an ISO date for file names? Date plus %y, %m, %d gives you 2026-05-20. Sortable, safe, perfect for Sara's nightly backups. Just need the time? %h, %m, %s hands you 14:32:05. And %s? That's the Unix timestamp, second since 1970. A single number programmers love because it's trivial to compare and do math on. Now, beyond formatting, 3 flags unlock the real superpowers. Date, you shows universal coordinated time, exactly what Sara needs when she's correlating a crash in Frankfurt with one in Singapore. Date D, yesterday, does time math in plain English. Try next Monday or 3 days ago, they all work. And date D, ABA 747500325, decodes those Unix timestamps from logs back into human-readable time. Combine them with format strings, and you can produce anything, including ISO 8601 UTC, the global gold standard. Let's see this in action with Mia, who needs daily database backups. First, she captures today's date into a variable, today, date plus %y, %m, %. And now today holds 2026-05-20, ready to drop into any file name. She pipes pgdump into backuptoday.sql, zips it, and boom, a uniquely named archive that'll never overwrite yesterday's. Then she appends a full timestamp to her log file with echo hikre date, backup OK. Date-driven file names, date-stamped logs. That's production-ready automation from a 4-letter command. Now, before you go script this yourself, let me save you 20 minutes of confusion. The single most common mistake with date is forgetting the plus sign. Type date %y, %m, % without the plus, and you'll get a baffling error, invalid date. That's because date thinks you're handing it a string to parse, like asking, what day is %y, %m, %d? The fix is simple. The plus tells date. This is a format. Render it. So the rule, if you see % codes, put a plus in front. Always. Okay, formatting mastered. Now let's see where date actually earns its keep. 3 combos you'll reach for constantly. Pair it with CP or MVA for date-stamped backups like CP config cco date %f. Sara does this every morning before touching production. Pair it with echo and now to prefix log lines with a timestamp, so when something breaks at 3 a.m., you know exactly when. And pair it with cron, where a little if check on a date %, lets you run jobs only on Mondays. Backup log schedule, that's date as glue. Time to actually touch the keyboard. 2 minutes, 3 exercises, and you'll feel the whole command in your fingers. First, just type date on its own and really look at the output. That's your baseline. Then try date plus %y %m% to see the ISO format snap into place, ready to drop into a file name. And finally, the fun one, date D next Friday. Play with it, try yesterday, try 3 days ago. That's date doing math for you. And just like that, Lesson 21 is in the bag, current time, UTC, custom formats, and time math, all from 4 little letters. Next up, we stay in stage Z05 with cal, the calendar command that drops a full month right into your terminal, perfect for when Sara needs to check what day the 15th lands on without reaching for her phone. After that, we pivot to identity, who you are, what groups you're in, how to change a password. Small commands, huge daily payoff. See you in Lesson 22.